Hi, and welcome to RNY Inside Learning Hub. This is the 25th video of the Java series. In this video, we will learn different type of tricks to fetch a file. So far, we have covered data writing into a file, data reading from the file, and transferring the data from one file to another file. Hope you have watched the earlier video of this series. If not, then I request you to please watch it. So let's jump into our project. So now I'm going to create a new class. Okay, different type of trick to fetch file. Okay. Now, so first way with the double backslash. Okay, backslash file path. So I'm using a file class variable path, new file path. Okay, so file class is is in java dot io dot files. Okay, so file class location is under java dot io. Okay, now we already created a file during the understanding the how to handle a file for reading or writing purpose. So I have so many files, so I am targeting this file, or we can say any file. So this file have a data. Okay, this file have a data. So I am going to write this file data. Okay, so this file have a data already. So now right click on a file and click on properties, and you will get an option to copy the file path. So we get a two option to copy the path. So first we uh, take this, okay, and control C, so the path will be copied. Now close this window and paste it. So you can see that double backslash automatically will generated as per your OS. Okay, so I have a window, so the path is generated like that. Okay, okay, but this path will not work in a Linux or Mac. Okay, so I will explain the difference between Mac path or window path. Okay, so now we are going to read the data from the file. Okay, so I am using a buffer reader class, buffer reader. Okay, read file data, new buffer reader. So we have already how to read a data from the file with explanation in a previous video. So I am requesting you again, please watch it from the this series. Okay, I explain everything with in detail. Okay, Now throw an error. Okay, and string file data read file data read file data dot read line not equal to null. So dot file data. So we required a, you know, uh, the buffer reader, import a buffer reader class, which is also under a java.io, file reader IO exception to capture the exception if any case we get an error. Okay, now run this code. Okay, window view and so console. Okay, no, sorry. So.out dot file data. Okay. So now we get a data from which is uh, already in a file. Okay. I will show again. So this is a file data. Okay. And we get. Okay. So this is the first way. So we can fetch the file. Okay. And we can read this data, or we can write data into a file, or we can do anything with the file. Okay, so first we require to fetch a file. Okay, so now the second way, the second logic. Okay, first logic. Okay, now the second logic is uh, commenting this and using the variable again and again. Okay, now second logic is single forward slash. Okay, paste it and right click on a file. Okay, click on properties and now copy this path. Okay, second, copy this path. Control C, path will be copy and paste it here. Okay, so now you can see the difference between double slash and backward slash. So the the backslash or forward slash. So this way uh, we can fetch the file in a window, in a Linux, or in a Mac also. In 3 OS we can fetch the file like this way. Okay, but we will get an error. I will show the error, file not found, or might something like that. Okay, now you can see that the exception error, file not found, exception error. So what we'll do, so we put the double dot. Okay, so double dot will help to read a current directory where your project is saved. You have saved your project. Okay, so I have saved my project in D directory, and D, and under this workplace, Sumit project work, and the my project is this. Okay, so till that we will get a path d dot sys. This is our work directory. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the path also. Okay, uh, file path plus path. Okay, dot. Okay, you can see that we print the exact path which is we are provided here. So now I'm going to get absolute path. Okay, now run again. So you can see we get a full path of the file. So this is our working directory. Okay, d by the drive. This D is a drive. Our Sumit project is a working directory, working workplace. We can say that. Okay, this is a project, and this is a the dot. This dot is this is a very long path, so that's why we get a double dot in between the path. Okay, so now we get data also from the file. This is our data. Okay, now third logic is third logic is second. Guys, try to ignore the background noises. Actually, in my area, in so many, sorry for that. Okay, now we will use the get properties method, which is coming from the system class. This is a static method, properties. Okay, method. A property method required a string parameter, so we will use this. So first, before the use, I will explain. Okay, the method java in under the java.lang system.get property. Okay, the full address is java.lang.system.get property. Okay, okay, so is used to obtain the system property, this which is the parameter for the method to obtain the current working directory. The key use is user dir. Okay, so user dot dir. So dir for the abbreviation of the directory. Okay, so we will get the working directory with the help of this keyword. Okay, this working directory. So I will use this. Okay, system dot get properties dot user directory. So now I'm going to run. We will get an error, as I believe. So first, now run this. So I will explain the error also. Now you can see that why we are getting an error, as because this method will uh, help to fetch the current working directory with our project also. So you can see that we get our project at 2 times. Okay. Okay, so now we, one second, now run again. Okay, now you can see we get a project name a 2 time. Okay, so till that we get with the help of this get properties where user directory, this is we put it manually. Okay, so now we required a erase this, remove the this directory. This is a file, this is a project name. Okay, so I can say that this system.get property help to get a project location with the project name. Okay, now um there, now run again. Now see, the error will gone and we get an actual data. Okay, so this is the beauty of the user directory. So this is very useful. Okay, this is very useful. Actually, we save we can save our project in any where we can, anywhere means in under the so many folder. Okay, so this will help to fetch the project location, exact location with the project name, and this will according to your according to your uh, project hierarchy. This is a src. We have this file in under the src main resource or text file folder. So this is src main. Okay, and resource, one second. Okay, okay, now so this is src. Okay, and main, and this is a resource folder. Okay, and this is a text folder. So we get a file from here. Okay, now jump into the next method. Sorry guys. Okay, now fourth now last but not least, the fourth logic, or we can say fourth way. Okay, uh, so fourth logic. Okay, we have uh, we have another way to get we create a separator, file dot separator. Okay, file dot separator is a platform dependent. Okay, name separator character as a string. This is a string character which is defined under the file class. Okay, this is enum type. This is enum type. I will explain what is the enum, what is the enum class. I have not covered so far, but I will cover what is the enum class. For that, for now, this is a enum. Okay, enum type character. So for Windows, it's create a backslash, or and for Unix it is create a forward slash. So file separator character, same as a separator, but it is a character. Okay, is a character. Okay, so now, one second. So, so this this slash is dependent on the your OS. In window the backslash, or in Linux is forward slash. Okay, so now to handle that type of problem, so we have a separator. Okay, the system dependent default name dot character represent as a string of convenes. This string contains the single character, namely separator character. Okay, you can read the Java definition. Okay, plus. Okay, now I am going to copy this. Now run this code. You can see we will get an. Okay, so this is a beauty of the different way we can handle the file bar. This is a very helpful way. This is a very helpful way. This th- for the with the help of we can run our code in any OS, in Windows, in Linux, in Mac. Okay, easily will run our code. But with this way, our code will run only for Windows. Okay, in future, for suppose we buy a Mac, or we can say we share our project with our friend, and he has a Mac. Okay, so he will get an error in your code. So he changed that the path as per his you know directory. Okay, so now you will get an error. Okay, so many complicated. Okay, with the working together. Okay, so this is very helpful way. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to demonstrate you. Okay, I hope you have liked the different way of this file handling. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Okay, please.